Ms. Vishala Reddy, convener, Stree Shakti Awards 2023, to share with us her thoughts on this occasion.
Her Excellency Dr. Srimati Tamilisai Soundararajan, Honorable Governor of Telangana and Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry, esteemed guests, Stree Shakti nominees and winners, and my beloved DCEI family and our organizing committee members. Good evening, and I am very happy to be here as a convener for this prestigious awards. We've been doing this for the last 5 editions. This is the 6th edition of awards, and I see every time it has been improving and it's been expanding. This year, I would like to share some of the highlights that entire jury, 16-member jury, including some of the international personalities and national level, industry leaders, they are all women, and 70% of the organizing committee members are women. So it is truly a women-led platform for women, and this is what we are making, walking the talk. Since Balram has already spoken about the process of the awards and about TCI, I wanted to focus something, the importance of this award. This stage, this recognition, this spotlight, it's all good. But there is something beyond that. I personally never used to apply for awards. I used to shy away, though I was very much on the spotlight doing a lot of social activities. But one incident changed my life, and I would like to share that to understand how much importance these awards will give you. I was in my village during COVID. That is the time my life has come to literally a square one. First 20 years, I was in a village. I have not even seen how a real train looks like. Next 20 years, I had a very high-flying career, and the beginning of the third phase was actually I had no clue. I had to choose one, either urban or rural. And that's when I was in the village without having any clarity, and in our abandoned agricultural shed, I started working on my startup Millet Bank. We had to go for a fund. We had to go for a competition, and that competition, if we win, we will get a grant which will actually self-sustain our company. That was very important for us. So when I started working for that award, I had got so much of clarity in me, so much of calmness. Then I thought, okay, this is what I want to do. So that is what this kind of awards does. What we've started in that agricultural shed today, it's a magical journey, and it has grown leaps and bounds in the last 1.5 years. So that is what this award does to all of us. It's actually not so much external, but you will be able to self-discover and to know who you are truly, so that will give you a lot of foundation. So I would like to congratulate all of you for making it here, and I am very happy, and I congratulate all of you in advance, and thank you to all the organizing committee members for the excellent effort, all the co-conveners Prabha and Vandana and Raja and all the gentlemen out there for making this happen. For the last 2 months we have put in a lot of effort. So ma'am, I can't even explain how happy I am. Despite your busy schedule you have come, you coming here has given a lot of confidence and motivation for us to take this and to expand this. Not just 500 women, we want to do a multi-day event and bring a lot more diverse women across. So your presence here has given us a lot of confidence and elevated our platform. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Vishala Reddy, for sharing with us your story, which I'm sure is a story that all of us will resonate with. We are now going to witness the launch of the Coffee Table book, 50 Inspiring Women of Telangana. Everyone should meet, know and read about. It's Telangana edition. And frankly speaking, there cannot be a more better time than now as we celebrate the Stree Shakti Awards 2023 in this auspicious time of Navratri, where these 9 days are dedicated to the importance of feminine power and celebrate the same. May I request our Honorable Governor to kindly step forward and And may I invite the team behind the same, Mr. Amar Ramesh, Master Photographer and Founder Studio A. Please join our Honorable Governor. Curation and Imagination by Mr. Ratish Krishnan, Founder SPI Edge. Our patronage partner, Ms. Kirti Reddy from Power Motors. And our project director, Ms. Bhuvana Shaktivel from SPI Edge will be joining our Honorable Governor as she launches the coffee table book, 50 Inspiring Women of Telangana. Everyone should meet, know and read about Telangana edition. In the audience. Thank you. And now, we are now going to present our top segment of awards for Stree Shakti Awards 2023, which is the Stree Ratna Awards. Now, these set of awards are basically for women who have been to the service of the industry for close to 2 decades. And I request our Honorable Governor to do the honors. Our first Stree Ratna awardee, can we please invite on stage Ms. Anuradha Reddy, convener of INTAC, Indian National Trust for Art and Culture Heritage, Hyderabad chapter. Can we give her a huge round of applause, everybody? And I request our Honorable Governor to present the Stree Ratna Award. She's a relentless champion of conserving the cultural and architectural treasures of Hyderabad. Deeply passionate about history and culture, she has dedicated over 5 decades to immersing herself in the exploration of heritage sites, both within India's borders and beyond. She definitely deserves a huge round of applause, everybody. Please put your hands together. What a privilege to be bestowing the Stree Ratna Award to Ms. Anuradha Reddy. And thank you, our Honorable Governor, for doing the honors. And our next Stree Ratna Award goes to Dr. Manula Anagani, gynecologist, obstetrician, and the Padma Shri awardee. Can we please give her a huge applause? She's an exemplary obgyn specialist and a laparoscopic surgeon who has set a new standard of excellence, I beg your pardon, globally for female surgeons with her dedicated contributions to the field over the last 3 decades. Dr. Manjula Anagani, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor, Dr. Manjula Anagani, to bestow this award on you. Thank you, our Honorable Chief Guest, for doing the honors. Please take your seat. And now the moment that we all have been waiting for. Now, before I invite our Honorable Chief Guest to speak to us, allow me to share a few lines about her. She happens to be the first woman to hold the office, and not only the governor for one state, but Governor for Government of Telangana and Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. She has a remarkable public and social service background spanning over 20 years. In the past, she has successfully led the state unit of a political party with noteworthy accomplishments. She is known for a strong advocacy towards better health and preventive care. An equally humble and remarkable individual. I'm sure you're going to love listening to her. Can I please invite our Honorable Chief Guest to address the audience? Can we please welcome her with a warm round of applause, everybody?
CBS, which is a great moment for me. And to attend this program, exclusively for this program, I have come from Puducherry. Day before yesterday only I went from here. I was staying in Hyderabad for 4 days, and day before yesterday, I went for my commitments in Puducherry. And I was about to return only on 19th. But when I knew about this program, today evening I got the flight and I am attending the program. And again I am returning to Puducherry by the same flight. So exclusively for your program because of the enthusiasm, and we have to encourage the women force. And I am really very happy to share the dais with Ms. Balram Babu Allah, President, Telangana Chamber of Events Industry, Ms. Vishala Reddy, Convener, Sri Shakti Awards, Sri Suraj Singh Malhotra, Honorable Council of Kingdom of Luxembourg, South Africa, and my friend, Ms. Karuna Gopal, President, Foundation for Future Societies. And I'm really very happy to see a colorful audience. Ladies means colorful. So they are empowered. And wherever women are empowered, it is my duty to support them. And Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji always says, women are the reflection of ethics, loyalty, decisiveness, and leadership. Progress of women always gives strength to the empowerment of the nation. So it is said, Swami Vivekananda says, if the bird of nation to fly high, both the wings should be equal strengthened. Whether it is only with the one wing, the male factor, a nation cannot progress. So you are the strength of the nation. And when I heard about all the achievers